Welcome to NASA Flats, where we learn at least 4 languages at a time. Are you ready? Let's get started with Igbo language. We are starting with the word bia. Bia, come. Bia eba, come here. Bia eba. Bia eba also, come here quickly. Bia eba also. Bia ka m gwa gị, come let me talk to you. Bia ka m gwa gị. Bia were, come and take. Bia were. Bia rie nri, come and eat. Bia rie nri. Bia ṅụọ mmiri, come and drink water. Bia ṅụọ mmiri. Bia lee, come and see. Bia lee. Bia nọrọ ebe a, come and sit here or come and stay here. Bia nọrọ ebe a. Bia nọrọ ala, bia nọdụ ala, come and sit. Bia hie ụra, come and sleep. Bia hie ụra. Bia saa ahụ, come and have a bath. Bia saa ahụ. Bia banye moto, come and enter the car or vehicle. Bia banye moto. Bia ka anyị laa, come let's go home. Bia ka anyị laa. Ka ọ dịkwa mgbe ọzọ. See you next time. Ka emesịa.